waiting for this. Lights flash, trip bells for the win. Fast stacks, double O, let it spin. 35 to 1, running back for the kid. I'ma make it rain tonight. 24 on the game tonight. Lake show getting paid tonight. I blame it all on the famous life. Get ready, drop the confetti. Get ready, drop the confetti. Get ready, get ready. Get ready, drop the confetti. It's showtime when I take a seat. Full house, keep it nice and neat. Chipped up, yeah, I'm on the street. At the cage so much that they call me the beast. Blood of a tiger in me. No limits, take it higher, baby. It's like a live wire hit me. Thunder, I got the lightning in me. Get ready, drop the confetti. Get ready, drop the confetti. Get ready, get ready. Get ready, drop the confetti. Get ready, get ready. Get ready, get ready. Here we go. Get ready, drop the confetti.
I can see that this is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Talking to myself. Said you gotta go get it. Daylight, don't stay long, don't stay long. Walk into my future, I'll make it everything I intended. Won't be long, won't be long, won't be long. I ain't gonna wait no more. The world is gonna see me glow. Mama used to say, baby, for goodness sake, don't ever dim your light down low. This is my moment, this is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna own it, I've made up my mind, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I can see that this is my moment, this is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Shine, shine, shine.
Para sa asawa kong maganda, una sa lahat, salamat sa Diyos para sa pinaka-espesyal na araw para sa ating dalawa. Mahal, sobrang ganda mo. Sobrang saya ko dahil natupad na ang isa sa lagi nating dinarasal. Tanda ko pa nung biniro kita, na nakita ko na ang magiging mama na magiging anak ko. At ito na tayo ngayon, susumpa sa harap ng Diyos at sa harap ng pamilya at mga taong nagmamahal sa akin. Hindi ko man natupad lahat ng pangarap ko sa buhay. Binigyan naman ako ng pamilyang pinapangarap ko. Kaya sobrang saya ng puso ko. Mahal, salamat sa lahat at sa pagtatiyaga sa amin tatlo. Pangako ko sa iyo at sa harap ng Diyos at sa mga taong nagmamahal sa atin, mamahalin kita at aalagaan, pagsisilbihan hanggang nabubuhay ako. Mahal na mahal kita.
Hi, classmate. My greatest love. My first kiss. My first holding hands. My safe place. Thank you, mahal, kasi araw-araw ka nagsisikap para sa atin. Thank you kasi panatag at peaceful ang buhay natin. Palagi akong grateful kay God kasi hindi man fancy yung binigay sa akin. Pero binigyan niya naman ako ng peace of mind. Panatag ang puso ko, hindi kailangan magamba. Kasi grabe yung assurance na binibigay mo sa akin. Araw-araw mahimbing ang tulog ko. Mahal, after 14 years and raising 2 beautiful children, finally, we're reaching this magical moment.
Pangako, hanggang nabubuhay ako, pagsisilbihan kita. Ikaw lang. I love you.
Sabay nating haharapin lahat. Pangakong mas mamahalin kahit sa panahong hindi ka kamahal-mahal. Excited akong tumanda kasama ka. I love you.